Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a HTML image template from scratch. So let's get started. First things first, we open up our code editor. I'm going to be using VS Code. Then we create a new file and title it index.html. Begin by setting up our basic HTML structure for the remote template. Start with the center tag to align all the items on the center, and then we'll give the class of container. The next tag will be the table, which will give a class of main and width of 100%. We'll be using the tr tag, which stands for table row, and I also use the td tag, which stands for table data. This is where all our contents will be. Now for our CSS styling, I'm going to be using the fonts just to give it a more aesthetic look. Now for the body tag, I want to set the property of margin to 0 to remove any unwanted spaces. And for the table tag, we will set the property border spacing to 0 to remove gaps between table cells. This ensures that the content is aligned seamlessly. For the images, I'm also going to set the property to 0. Now for our container class, I'm going to give it a width of 100%. To set another property, table layout, I'm going to put it as fixed to ensure that it doesn't stretch out of the layout. I'm going to align the text to the center. Now for our main class, we're going to give it a width of 100%. I'm going to give it a max width of 600 pixels. This is for the email clients. And then I'm going to add background color of white, and then we add a color of gray to ensure that it's readable by the users. Now for the images, we're going to upload them to a site called imgbb.com. This is to ensure that they're able to be viewed by all email clients such as Gmail and Outlook. To create the header logo, we'll start by creating a new section, which is the format trtd. Around the td, I'm going to create an a tag, and under that a tag, we'll create our image. Now I'm going to style the image by giving it a width of 200 pixels. The style, I'm going to give it a max width of 100%. This is to ensure that it's responsive and all unique. And now to the next part, which is our banner, which is to use the same format of trtd of 600 pixels. This is the full width of the image template, so it aligns exactly with it. A max width of 100%, and then I want to give it the property of object fit contain to ensure that it scales properly according to the size of the image. Now for our paragraph section, we'll start up by using the same format of table row, table data. I'm going to style the table data by giving it a padding of 10px and 15px. Now within the table data, I'm going to create a table, and within that table tag, I'm going to also create a table row, table data format, and then I'm going to add our text. Now we create our button. We start by creating an a tag and giving it a name of verify your email address. Then for the stylings, we do text decoration none. Then we add the background color of dark orange, give it a color of white. Then for the padding, we use padding 12px and 25px. And then finally, we add the border radius of 5px. Then beneath the button, we're also going to add some text below it by using the p tag. For our footer section, let's create a tr tag and the td. Now we're going to style the table data by giving it a background color of blue, and then we add our text. For the footer section, I already added some text, so we just get to styling the social media icons. Now for the show icons, we're going to use the same format of trtd. Then we begin by creating an a tag with our image tag. Put the links to the images there and resize the image by giving it a width of 30px. After that, I'm going to style the a tag by giving it the property of text decoration none. I'm also going to style the table data tag by giving it a little bit of space. We're going to add padding of 10px. Now just copy and paste the A tags and change the image links to the Instagram and YouTube icons. Now for the final section, we use to create a TRTD section and give the TD a background color of blue, and then we add our text. After that, then we're done. As you can see, we now have a fully working HTML image template. Our email template, it's time for us to test it. Now to do this, we have to go to a website called putmail.com. Then we create an account, click on new test. Now when we click on new test, we see the section where we can put emails for our templates to be sent to, the subject line, and our HTML that we created. You can just paste it down here. Now you see this text box, it says move my CSS inline when I click send, and this is just for the best results, because most email clients require that the CSS be inline and not external sheets. So we click this, solve the captcha, and then we send our email. Now it's time to check the results. We first check Gmail. You see this is how the email template looks like. We scroll down, you see that everything is aligned properly, and next we go to Outlook to see how the template looks like. And there you have it. We have successfully created a responsive HTML email template. I'm going to leave a link in the description to the full source code. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any questions or feedback you want to give, be sure to write them down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to respond to them as quickly as I can. Till we meet again. Thanks.